Mastering transitions, the bridge of your essay. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive deep into understanding transitions in essay writing. Transitions act like bridges between your ideas, ensuring your essay flows smoothly. Ready? Let's jump in. Transitions are words or phrases used to link ideas together, helping readers move through your text coherently. Imagine reading a book without any paragraphs or breaks. It would be exhausting. Transitions serve as mental breaks and guideposts for your readers, making your essay enjoyable and easy to understand. 1. Clarity. They make your arguments clearer. 2. Flow. They guide your reader through the progression of your thoughts. 3. Cohesion. They make your essay feel like a unified whole. 1. Addition. Furthermore, moreover, in addition, not only but also. 2. Contrast. However, on the other hand, conversely, in contrast. 3. Cause and effect. Because, therefore, hence, thus, as a result. 4. Examples or illustration. For example, for instance, to illustrate. 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, to sum up, in summary, all in all. Tip. It's essential to use transitions appropriately. Overusing can make your essay sound redundant, while underusing can make it choppy. 1. Know your transitions. Familiarize yourself with a list of transition words and phrases. Over time, they'll become a natural part of your writing. 2. Read out loud. When editing, read your essay aloud. This will help you identify areas that might need a transition or where one might be used unnecessarily. 3. Vary your transitions. Using the same transition repeatedly can be monotonous. Spice things up by varying the transitions you use. So there you have it, the power and magic of transitions. Remember, they're the glue that holds your essay together, ensuring clarity and coherence. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be using transitions like a pro. We hope you found this session useful. Happy writing!